Good afternoon everyone, I am James Patrick N. Castillo from Slytherin of 11 ABM Gates. Today we will review the Unfriended Darkfell film. The title we will review for today is Unfriended Darkfell by Stephen Susco. The main characters of the film is Colin Woodell as Matcha O'Brien, Sabira Mediani as DJ Lex, Betty Gabriel as Nari, Andrew Liz as Damon, Connor Del Rio as AJ, Stephanie Nogueras as Amaya, Rebecca Rittenhouse as Serena Lange. The synopsis of the film Unfriended Darkfell is, after finding a laptop, a young man goes online to play a game with 5 of his good friends. He shows them a mysterious folder that plays disturbing videos of people who appear to be in danger. They then receive an anonymous message that tells them they will all die if they disconnect or call the police. The planned night of fun quickly turns deadly as such user becomes the target of something sinister, while the others must watch helplessly in terror. There are 4 trends in ICT that tackled in the Unfriended Dark Web. There are convergence, social media, mobile technologies, and assistive media. The use of convergence was used when the mobile phone or smartphone was shown. Next, the use of social media. Facebook is one example. Matthias used Facebook to communicate with his friends. The next example is Skype, which they video call each other for a weekly board games. The use of mobile technologies, it was shown that Matthias used Mac OS or iOS, which an operating system from Apple. The use of assistive media is when Matthias used Papaya. Papaya is a sign language app, so he can able to communicate with his deaf girlfriend. Is there any internet threats that's shown in the film? Yes. The internet threats that's shown in the film is spyware, because they don't know that the attacker is runs in their background without they knowing it, and it can monitor what they doing and typing such we see in the scene. The attacker said, "I see everything that you are doing and I hear everything you are saying." In the movie Unfriended Dark Web, the lesson that can be learned is the importance of online privacy. One of the key takeaways from the movie is the need to be cautious and mindful of our online activities. It reminds us to be aware of the potential consequences of our actions, especially when it comes to exploring the depths of the internet. It also serves as a reminder to protect our personal information, use secure passwords, and be vigilant about online security.